Alright guys, welcome to the channel.
Throttle. Working it. If you ever had a wrist injury like I have, that's the way to go. I have no issues, no pain. I get this crazy shooting pain from spraining my wrist a couple times riding quads, and completely changes the whole ride. So if you can manage just going like this without moving your arm, it's the way to go.
What year is this bike?
2021 KTM300 XCW TPI. It's super easy install. I'm going to show you guys in the video how I install this, and it's honestly, for somebody that's never done it, I'd say probably like a 5 to 10 minute install. Hardest part's putting grips on.
Sweet.
Yep. Well guys, just to piss the world off more, I'm going to do some advertising on my thumb throttle kit for the KTMs. This is the TPI. So I'm going to go ahead and get that thing installed and see how it rides. First step is take off your cover. You're going to look and see which one's your pull cable. Since this thing is rotating that direction, that's going to be your pull cable. So that's exactly where the new cable is going to be hooking up, and it's going to hook up in the same spot as where that is. Throttle's installed, works awesome. There's not a lot of throw in this because of the way the throttle body's set up. So you're only getting, say, about 1 inch of movement on the lever. See, it's going right to wide open right there. So first thing you're gonna do is tighten this down. And then we're actually gonna stick a bolt over here with a nut to block that hole, and then put the cover back on. And then all of your adjustment for your tension is going to be right here. So you can see I have that backed out. Then I snug that. Just want a little bit of play. Never want this thing to be too tight. Well, it's working good. I moved the start button over. And you always want to pay attention to your clearance on your brake right here. Everything's working good. Locks tire up when you squeeze that. No issues. And the last thing is the distance from here to the edge of the throttle. You don't want this thing too far over, keeping your hand grip hanging off the end. So That's about where I like to set it. And we're gonna go over to an ATV grip. I didn't have any of the ODI locking grips, or I would have stuck those on, but I'm just gonna throw these gray ones on. Should complement the gray that's on the bike and look pretty cool. So we'll go with that.